Hi, welcome to Layman's Guide to Cracking the Coding Interview. I'm Jocks, and today we have an array problem. So, given an image, or we call it as a 2D array, we need to rotate the image by 90 degree in a clockwise. So let's look through the questions. Given an array of 2D of size n by n, we need to take care of questions like 2D array of n by n. That means the length of the row has to be equal to the length of the column. And we consider the 2D array as an image. And we are required to rotate the image by 90 degree in and clockwise. And we have a note as well. So we can use the extra memory and we have to do in place. So that means given this array, we have to do all sort of transformation within this array. No extra space is allowed. So we have a 3 by 3 of length and breadth, or rows and columns. So this would be the output. And for 4 by 4, this would be the output. And this, when we rotate by the 90 degree, we can see how it looks like when you rotate by the 90 degree. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for each column respectively. And when you rotate by 45 degree, it looks like that. But this doesn't really make sense. And when you rotate by another 45 degree, but holistically, it's going to be 90 degree. So that's going to be 7, 4, 1, 8, 5, 2, 9, 6, 3. Just to make it look clear, I have it out here. This one's for the 3 by 3. Now let's see for 4 by 4. So 4 by 4 looks like this. So we have it 1, 2, 3, 4. So like 4 by 4 would gonna be 16. So we have items up to 16. I just made it like a ascending order, but in real, the image density not gonna be like this. It's gonna be really messed up. And the output gonna be rotated by 90 degree in and clockwise. So this gonna be the output. So when you rotate 45, another 45, so that's gonna be the output. And I just wanted to make look clear. So this gonna be the final output. Just by looking at it, it's kind of hard to imagine how we could do, because we need to operate two things. There's two operations for rotating the image or the 2D array by 90 degree in a clockwise. So let's see how we could do. So let's assume this is the input for now. And I just have this as a ij for the array, like it's a 2D. So every index or every items would have the row and column. So for the row and column, it's 0 by 0, 0, 0, 1. So it's a ascending order from 0 to 1 in the column, and so forth for the rows as well. Here it's going to be 1, 0, 1, 2, and here in the horizontally or in the column wise, it's 0, 1, 2. So that's a j and that's a I respectively. So at first we just need to swap I and j if I is not equal to j. So in this case, I and j would be equal, because this is 0 by j, this is 0, 0, I and j, and this is going to be 0, 1. So I and j is not equal, so we do the swapping. And in that way, 2 going to be here, 4 going to be here, and 3 going to be here, 7 going to be out there, and 6 going to be here, 8 going to be here. And diagonals not going to change because I and j are equal, so we don't need to change. So this is the first operation. So once we have the first operation, the output gonna look like this, because we swapped from 2 to 4 and 7 to 3 and 8 to 6. So this is one swapping. This is one operation, and with that operation, our output is not yet ready, and we still need to do one more operation. So then another operation would be this. We need to flip 7 gonna be at 1, 1 gonna be at 7th. So we need to flip not the rotation, just the flipping. We need to do the flipping, and this is how we do the flipping. And after the flipping, we're gonna have the output exactly what we need to do. Rotation by 90 degree in a clockwise. So this is how our output gonna look like. So this is a 2 operation, and I'm gonna show you in the program how it's gonna be. Oops, not this one. Okay, we have the program here. I've already done that. So we have the input array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For each rows, we have this value, and I have a two operation. One is the exchanging the I and j value when I is not equal to j. So in that case, this is gonna be the output, and another operation we need to flip that, right? So finally we'll have the final output. So let me run that. So we had 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we have this 7 4 1 8 5 2 9 6 3, and same goes for this one. Let me, we have it here, 13 9 5 1 14 10 6 2. So these are two operations, and we need to check these two conditions, this one and this one. So we need to check these two conditions, and we need to operate that to like operations, and after that we're gonna have the final output. So I'm gonna put the breakpoint here just to see what it looks like when we do the first operation. So we have it here. So 1 5 9 13 2 6 8 14. Let me close this thing. All right, so this gonna look like right before we do the flipping. So this is gonna be the output, and when you do the flipping, so after we do the flip, the position of 13 gonna be at the first, and the position of the 1 gonna be at the end of the first rows. And let me put the breakpoint here and throw it away. And finally we have it here as we mentioned, and even earlier we had a 5 here and the 9 here. It did the flipping, and that's gonna be our final output. So let me just run quickly. So that's it. It's pretty simple, but at first it's hard to figure out how to do that because we need to perform two operations. That's the reason, but however not too difficult. So thank you.